Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change direct deposit on UKG Pro. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To update your direct deposit information, what you need to do first is head over and open up your UKG Pro app, and then once you are there, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is navigate to the pay section from the main menu, tap on myself, then select pay. Then tap on direct deposit to view your current deposit accounts. Then to add a new account, simply tap on the plus icon to add a new direct deposit account. Then enter the required details like bank name, routing number, account type, amount distribution, and then once done, tap on save to store the new account information. Then tap on account you wish to modify, update the necessary information to save to apply changes. And you can also remove an account by simply tapping on the account you wish to delete and select delete and confirm your choice. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.